I'm about to blow your mind. You're not gonna believe this. I have 2 vacuums. My trusty Hoover and this new Wise. Honestly, when I got it, I was like, that's not gonna do anything. But I'm going to vacuum my living room rug with my Hoover first, and then I'm gonna go back over it with the Wise. You're not gonna believe the difference. Stay tuned. Okay, are you ready? Let's see. Yeah, you can totally see. Okay, I'm not gonna do any cuts on this video. I'm gonna hurry up. So, this is from just my living room rug. Is that not disgusting? Yes, I know. We listen and we don't judge, okay? Now, I'm gonna go back over it with my Wise vacuum. So it's cordless, small little container. It's empty, so you can see there's nothing in here. Watch this. Gross. All of the, hold on, it's not good light right here. Okay, there we go. Look at this. Gross, I just vacuumed and all of this was left in there, in my carpet. And that's just one rug. It's a really good vacuum, but also it makes me feel real gross that I'm not doing a good job. My kids play on this rug. They're like snow angeling on this rug all the time. And look at what they're rolling around in. Anyways, way to go, Wise. You're putting me to shame over here. And I linked it here in the TikTok shop. You should get one. Get one for your mom for Christmas so she can be utterly disgusted with her house. It'll be so much cleaner when she's done. Okay, bye.